Morning, my fellow scientists. I'm Peter Allen. It's 4 in the morning, Monday, January 2nd, 2017. It's cold outside, but there's science to do. In science news, the New England Journal of Medicine reports that a group has successfully modified a patient's immune cells to attack a solid tumor. Immune cell modification and retargeting has been performed with circulating cancers, but not with solid tumors before. This is a single patient, so we shouldn't read too much into it, but that patient's life was extended by several months. Now, to my mind, that's pretty amazing. In my high school experience, my high school biology teacher said that he thought for sure they were going to cure cancer by modifying the immune system. And I think that his expectation has been somewhat vindicated. It's not universal yet, and it's still experimental. But this kind of approach strikes me as really promising, to take your own cells, engineer them, and attack cancer. So I find that really exciting. And I also love to think about the fact that the scientists, bioengineers, and physicians who performed this pioneering study were educated by a system that prepared them to find the adjacent possible in this realm. We needed people who understood how not just to modify genes, but to train people to understand what was possible with modified cells. In other news, a Clean Technica article has reported that a new Arizona policy may mandate dark solar. I'm excited about that. Whenever we have a guaranteed market for energy storage, that makes it possible for entrepreneurs to get into the space and to create new technology that they know they can sell. I don't think that most technologists are very good at selling, so when they know they have a market, I think that aids in the process. In this case, solar in Arizona is very cheap. It's probably the cheapest source of energy in the possible. When the sun is up, the cost per kilowatt hour of solar electricity is just amazingly low. So the problem is that it's not available at night. So with a market for battery technology, entrepreneurs can start to solve that problem. So I'm very excited about that. I've argued before that as the energy return on energy invested for solar gets better and the energy return on energy invested for fossil fuels gets worse, we're going to see more and more renewable energy take over the energy market in general. I've got a blog up to that effect that I've got a link below. So in my research, today I'm going to be working on some microfluidics, and hopefully I'll have a chance to report on some of that tomorrow. It's nothing particularly new, but it's new to me. We're going to cut some acrylic with a laser and assemble a microfluidic device so that we can maybe make some droplets in the future. So stay tuned. In the meantime, I've been working on a magnet holder to do magnetic particle separation. I put that up on my blog as well. Hope you'll check that out if you're interested in open source hardware and if you do magnetic particle separations. The plans are available, and I'll try to put a link up to a Ponoko site where you can order the parts if you don't have access to a carbon dioxide laser. Anyway, this is Peter Allen wishing you happy science.